वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहे हैं एक नए प्रोडक्ट की। शायद आपको दिख गया होगा वीडियो के साइड में। हियर इज़ द न्यू ब्लूटूथ BT इंटरकॉम हेडसेट। लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट। Here's what we get is the user manual, which you don't have to read because we will guide you how to use it. Okay, so below that we get the Bluetooth intercom, and here, okay, so here we get the double-sided tape, and here is the clip which will you mount on the helmet. Let's keep aside. And here we get is the mic. So let's open it. Okay, so it's cushion. Okay, so it is kept under cushion, and as you can see, here's the intercom. Let's see what we get over here. So here is the speakers which will you connect, and there's something. Okay, so there's it's a mini USB data cable. Let's keep it aside. And here, okay, so it's the total setup. So here's the speakers, two speakers, and here's the mic. Okay, so you also get the 3mm tape over here to stick it, and here we get as well. So there are two ports, so it's a 2.5mm jack, and here is the connector, the mini USB connector to the intercom. So let's check. Let's start it. So here's the power button. Okay, so it's started. So we just have to insert it over here, as you can see the port. So I have to do it like this. Okay, so it's connected now. As you can see, it's the back portion. So here's the clip. So as you can see, it will be tucked down to this, like this, and this will be acting like a clip, so it will go and stick or fit to the helmet directly. You don't have to permanently attach it. You can detach it anytime, anywhere, wherever, whenever you want.